right, let's make this cute ring. So the last video that we did, you can go check it out. It was adjustable. This one is not going to be adjustable. So you need to know your ring size. And they have this great ring measurer, ring gadget. And you would think it would lock into place, but it doesn't. Like there are things that look like this that would lock, but this stays when you need it and moves when you when you need to open it. So I am going to take my finger, I'm going to close it up a bit more, and I'm going to measure over my knuckle. I'm going to measure over my knuckle because the ring needs to fit over your knuckle, right? And I have some pretty big knuckles. And so my middle finger, it's going to be around a 9. It's looking good. 9 looks great. I'm going to have it just about at a 9. And so we have this to measure the wire, and this is the wire that came with it. This is a lot more springy than the silver one. And I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna go here to the 9, and I'm gonna go and put my wire where the 9's at, and this is where it's at, and I need it to have not just right in the middle. I need it to be I need there to be excess when I just want to pop. It's very slippery, so be careful. So I gotta get back to the 9. Where's the 9? Okay, got it at the 9, and I need my excess, and I need to twist this around. It can be a little tricky. It's okay. So we're just trying to, yes, like that, and tighten it so it's around the 9. Perfect. Look at that. So I'm having like this. I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to cut. I'm not going to cut right in the middle. I need to cut excess, and I'll show you why in a second. Need to cut excess. Perfect. I'm going to put my wire to the side like so. And then I am going to curl these guys around. And this is pretty much the same technique. It'll be a little bit different than the last video, but we're making it so it's not adjustable. So you're doing kind of the same exact thing, but it's making it so it's not adjustable. So we're gonna take the tool that came with it. This is a round nose pliers. See how it's small down here and big right here? Because this is the size loop. You can do a small loop, medium loop, big loop, and everywhere in between. We're gonna do the bigger loop because we want our beads to fit in there. So I'm gonna do a bigger loop. I did go all the way to the end when I made a ring like this. I'm gonna do just slightly away from the end. And I'm gonna curl it around like so. And I'm gonna flip it on its side. Do you see how we're doing that? Yes, 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 yes. Like that, and I'm gonna curl it in just a little bit. And I'm gonna take my other piece, and I'm gonna put it in the same spot, and I'm going to curl that around, and I'm going to flip it on its side. And then I'm gonna try it out, right? This is not adjustable, I'm gonna try it out. And the nice thing is, yes, I'm gonna curl just a little bit more. Like this, yep. Oh no. And I'm gonna curl just a little bit more like this. Making sure that it's not poking out. And then I gotta try it again, right? It's fitting over like that. And they're gonna be glued together like that. They're gonna be UV rays shut together like that. Okay, so now let's put on our safety gear because we're gonna be dealing with resin, and resin is a chemical, and you wanna protect yourself because it will irritate your skin. It can make you have struggle breathing or nausea, and so you need to wear your mask and the right clothes. We have a safety guide, we have a safety video. Go check that out if you have not seen that already. So protect yourself. Okay. So I want to I picked out cute, look at these guys, cute little red and black little pearls from this one. So it's a black and red and kind of gold embeds with like some chunky glitter, and it's really cute. So I grabbed out the black and red balls. I want to cover them. I want them to be covered when I put them on. We're gonna put resin on the ring as well, but I want to make sure that those guys are covered in resin. And so I'm gonna take my stick and just roll them around because I want every ounce of them to be covered in resin. I want to make sure that wherever they touch the wire, that there's resin on it. Okay, so we did that. Now, before we get them on the ring, I'm going to put a dab so much that it kind of makes it covers the whole thing without dripping. Oh, without dripping, a tiny around without dripping. Oh, look at that. I love it. I love it. I gotta get it. And so now I need to put my balls on. These are a lot harder than it looks. I might just need to pick them up. Okay, and put the black one on, and then put the red one on. Oh, it's looking so good. And then I'll do that first, and then I want to bring it together so that it's connected. So I'm just hurrying, putting the light on to make sure that it dries really well so the balls don't get off, the little pearls don't come off. I'm just quickly drying it. I'm kind of turning it, I'm doing the top, and then I'm gonna turn it upside down as well. And then we want to squish it together. So we're gonna do some more resin after this. Okay, so we kind of just flashed it. We did it really quickly, a lot less than 60 seconds. And so now they're not really close together, so I'm gonna kind of take it and bend them so they are close together, and see how they're not moving. Now I'm gonna take some resin on one side, just a little bit, and a resin on the back side. And I'm gonna kind of make sure that's covering both sides. And now I'm going to dry that so the ring sticks together. All right, look at that. Ah! I'm so excited. And there you have this cute, like, pearl resin ring. It is so cute. I am so excited. Look at that. How cute is that?